guys, welcome to this video review about the LB Tonic. My name is Vic and I'm here in this quick video review just to tell you the main information about the supplement, but also share with you an important alert that you must know before actually purchase it. So stay tuned until the end of this video. However, guys, I was advanced and already left the link for the official website below in the description box of my video in case you need it, okay? But I recommend you to stay with me because the alert will be available just here in this video. Well, the LB Tonic is a compelling addition to the world of health and wellness supplements designed to support overall well-being and vitality. This product has garnered attention for its unique blend of ingredients and boosting energy and enhancing mental clarity and promoting a balanced mood. One of the standout features of LB Tonic is its formulation. It combines a range of natural extracts, vitamins, and minerals that are carefully selected to work synergistically. Ingredients like adaptogens, which help the body manage stress, and nootropics, known for their cognitive enhancing properties, make LB Tonic a versatile supplement for those seeking both mental and physical support. People have reported a variety of benefits, including increased energy levels, improved focus, and more stable mood throughout the day. The supplement is praised for its smooth integration into daily routines, with many noting that it does not cause the crashes often associated with other energy boosting products. Okay, the product's quality also a notable highlight. LB Tonic is manufactured in facilities adhering to stringent quality control standards, ensuring that each batch has potency levels. Additionally, the absence of artificial additives and the use of non-GMO ingredients further enhance its appeal to health-conscious consumers. Of course, you will only see this results in LB Tonic if you take it every single day, guys. So be committed to do the treatment correctly. I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months, and if you do it and still don't see results, they return all of your money back. But let's go to my alert. The LB Tonic is only available to purchase on the official website. It is not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original LB Tonic from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. Also, on the official website is the place you can check the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product. So I recommend you to go check everything out. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching until here, and see you guys around.